Hello, Game Maker class. Just in case you thought that, uh, since we're doing remote learning and stuff, that I have not been staying busy, I want to show you that I have. So a little while ago, I posted my 3D scrolling shooter, and I've been working on it. I've been improving my skills in Blender, which allowed me to put a little more texture and features on my mountains. My models are getting a little bit better. My 3D models, you'll notice the islands are better, and I've been taking better advantage of some of the Godot features. So you'll see reflections in the water. You'll also notice off in the distance that there is some fog and some blur. And I've added a new enemy that creates a smoke screen. So let me just show you how that works. I'm feeling pretty good about it. So you can see I can fly around, destroy some enemies. These guys are enemy two, just like when we did the two-dimensional version in our game. Looks like I crashed into the water, which is not great. So let me give that another try. So here I am flying around. You can see that I can rotate when I get to the edge, but I am limited, just like our 2D version. Um, yeah, I have a health bar that works. You can see I've been taking some damage, and I'm not very good at it still. But I'd really like to see that other enemy come into the game. Right now, there's a 20% chance that he's generated every time. And oh, here he comes. And you'll see that once he reaches a certain point, he'll start laying down a smoke screen. And so you have to kind of shoot him without really being able to see. They do have limited smoke though. They can't just create um, a smoke screen right now. If an enemy two passes you by, he does get moved to the back of the room, so the game doesn't get increasingly more difficult. Especially if you allow some of those enemies to get by. You can see I've got way too many. The only thing I don't have is enemy four. I haven't figured out if I want him to be able to collide. I also have two cameras, so you can see that when I die, my screen gets red. So all kinds of new things. I've been staying busy, working on some 3D gaming. Love the reflections. I like the blur in the background. Um, and again, I'm gonna repeat that a lot of these skills that you pick up during doing learning 2D game design can be transferred into 3D. So just a little show and tell, and I look forward to this week's lessons, and hopefully I'll see you in our Zoom meeting on Mondays. Thanks for watching, and there we go.